Hi, this is my second video about my expert advisor, and while I'm talking to you, I will run this full year 2020, and this is with the multi-position. Now, I wanted to talk to you about a few general things. This is not specific to my EA, but it's basically general information, what you should expect, and what you should, how you should deal with this, and how you should go about it. First off, you should trust the code. Trust the code meaning what? Now you'll be looking at this, making trading, opening positions, closing positions. Sometimes you'll see it in the plus side, so it's gaining money, and sometimes you'll see it in losing money, but it still didn't close the deal, didn't close the position. The thing is, you should trust this auto trader. You should trust this EA. If you see that it's going down, don't stop it. If you see that it's gaining enough, you think it's enough for you, you want to stop, don't stop it. Because sometimes if it's losing and then you stop the deal, and then the chart will go up again, and then you will miss out on gaining money instead of losing. So you lost, but instead if you just waited for the auto trader to complete its process, you would have actually gained money. Also, sometimes you'd see, oh, it's gaining money, but it's getting good amount of money. Why would I continue? Just stop the position, you know, sell out. You shouldn't do that. Now you can see it's reaching 3 million something. This is with multi-position. So if you see it's gaining money and you think it's enough, oh, I should stop, don't stop it, leave it. It might gain you, instead of 1,000, 20,000. Instead of 50,000, 200,000. Instead of 1 million, 2 million. So just leave it work. Yeah, you set it and forget it. Second thing, the money that you should use for this, only use money that you can afford to lose. What does that mean? Now, some people have $10,000, but they have rent to pay, they have expenses, you know. They can't lose this $10,000. Don't play with the $10,000. How much you allowed to play with, you should be able to lose it and not get in troubles. If you think you can't lose this money, then don't play with it. So only play with the money that you can afford to lose. Otherwise, you might lose it and you might get in trouble. Because this is, at the end, this is dealing with things that comes in the future. And if it's in the future, then you don't know what's going on. You don't know what's happening. So you don't know what will happen. Yes, you might lose, and then then you will gain. So, but you never know. So you have to be cautious with this. Third thing I want to talk about, this auto trader is not for safe trading. What does that mean? Of course, you will hear me sometimes say playing. I keep on saying playing. I know this is trading, but it's in the same time it's playing. It's like playing games, because you don't know what will happen. You don't know if things will go positive or negative. You try to use as much as you can the situation to your benefit, but sometimes it doesn't work. Sometimes it works and there is a great profit. So, but this auto trader is not for safe trading. What I mean by safe trading is, you say, okay, I'm opening a position, I'm putting a stop loss, I'm putting a take profit, only stop loss 2 points, take profit 4 points, 5 points, whatever. This is not what this auto trader is about. This auto trader is designed to make you millions. Now we can see it's at 13 million. and we're starting with 50,000. So what I'm saying is, this is definitely not for safe trading. It's not for making $200, $300, maybe $500 a month, maybe $200, $150, a week. This is not for this. This EA is not for doing that. This EA is for multi-positioning, is for scaling. It will gain a lot. For $50,000, you can end up in few months with as much as $14 million. This is a lot of money. So you have to have this in the back of your mind. This is not for safe trading. Now, of course, yes, I can make it safer. I can, play it safe. Don't use multi positions. Don't use the scaling. There's other stuff that you can use. You can use other indicators that you can use general rules that you can switch on and off here in the inputs. So there's a lot of stuff you can do to make it safe, but it's still, this is not designed for auto stop and stop loss and take profit thing. This is still will take a lot of risks, even if you don't use the multi-position system and scaling system and put more rules. I have here, for example, general rules. If you apply it, it will not make you that much money. It will make still more than stop loss and take profit thingy, but it will not make you millions. It might make you 100,000. It might make you 120,000, 150,000 in few months. But if you want a lot of money, then you have to take risk. So this is the third point. Fourth point. Now, a lot of people say, why do I have to share this with people if I'm making millions already? First off, this auto trader, I just made it. I just came up with it after a long time of trading and tryouts and falls and stuff like that. I came up with this, and now I think it's ready to be publicized. It's ready for the public to use it, for people to use it. So that's why I have it on sale. Now, am I making millions? I'm not making millions. Why? Because I don't have that much money to lose. I can't afford to lose all my money. So I'm playing it safe. I'm playing with 10,000, but I'm not using multi-positions. I'm not using scaling. When I reach 50,000, maybe 60, 70,000, I will take my initial deposit out, and then I will leave the profits in, and then maybe I'll use the multi-position and stuff, because I know that the account could be lost. Yes, it could be lost, because if you're taking risk, this big risk, if you're taking this much of a big risk, then yes, your account could be locked, could be blocked, could be lost. That's why I'm saying you have to play with money that you afford to lose. You can lose without getting into troubles. So this is my fifth or fourth point. And that's it for this video. We'll talk in another video. And you can see here it reached 18 million, and it's in June 3rd, 2020. I'll stop it here. You can see how the thing is beautiful going up, and it's making out for the losses here, losses again, making up for it. So I'll stop it here, and we'll talk in another video. Take care.